Thinking about replacing your heating and cooling system? Wondering what happens during an HVAC consultation, how long it takes, and what you'll need to have ready before we arrive? Most homeowners only replace an HVAC system once or twice in their lifetime, so it's completely normal to have questions. Today, we're walking you through exactly what to expect during your appointment with an Eco Project Manager, so there are zero surprises.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Nick with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. When it comes to looking into options for replacing your HVAC system, we believe informed homeowners make the best decisions. That's why we focus on education, transparency, and helping you find the right solution for your home. Let's walk through exactly what you can expect before, during, and after your appointment. Before your appointment, you'll receive confirmation texts and emails so you know exactly when we're coming. You'll also receive a photo and information about Project Manager who will be visiting your home. When we're on the way, you'll get a text with live tracking links so you can see the arrival time in real time. To help make the most of your visit, there are a few things we'd ask you to prepare beforehand. First, plan for the appointment to take approximately 60 to 90 minutes. Second, if multiple people will be involved during the purchase decision, we strongly encourage everyone to be present during the appointment. That way, everyone can hear the same information, ask questions, and make the best decision together. And finally, for your preparation, we'll need access to several areas of your home, including the thermostat location, mechanical room, breaker panel, supply vents, return vents, and a few rooms throughout the home so we can properly evaluate comfort and airflow. When your project manager arrives, they'll start by listening. We'll talk about your current system, any comfort concerns you're experiencing, high utility bills, rooms that are too hot or too cold, humidity issues, or anything else affecting your comfort. Then, we'll perform a complete home and system evaluation. We don't just look at the equipment, we evaluate how the entire system is performing inside your home. This includes inspecting your existing equipment, airflow, ductwork, thermostat, electrical connections, and key comfort factors throughout the home. Our goal is to understand not just what system you have today, but what solution will serve your family best for years to come. Once we've gathered all the information, we'll walk you through your options in plain language. You'll hear terms like single stage, two stage, and variable capacity systems. A single stage system operates at full power whenever it runs. A two-stage system can operate at both high and low levels, providing better comfort and efficiency. Variable capacity or smart systems continuously adjust their output to match your home's exact needs, offering you the best level of comfort, efficiency, and temperature control. We'll explain the pros, the cons, and the investment level of each option so you can determine what makes the most sense for your home, comfort goals, and budget. No confusing jargon, no pressure, just clear information. After reviewing your options, we'll discuss pricing and payment choices. Many homeowners choose financing to make a new system more comfortable for their monthly budget, and we'll review any financing programs that may be available to you. We'll also discuss any current promotions, rebates, or special offers that may apply to your purchase. Depending on the system you choose and current promotions, you may also qualify for a Destination Motivation Travel Reward Voucher. We'll explain how these work during your consultation so you know exactly what's available and whether your selected system qualifies. Again, no surprises. Before we leave, we'll answer any questions you have and make sure you feel completely comfortable with your options. Whether you're ready to move forward immediately or need time to think things over, our goal is to provide the information you need to make the right decision for your home. If you decide to move forward, we'll walk you through the installation process, scheduling timeline, and what to expect on installation day. Replacing your HVAC system is a big investment, and you deserve a straightforward, transparent experience from start to finish. If you're ready to explore your options, schedule your HVAC consultation with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians today. We'll help you find the right solution for your home, your comfort, and your budget. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.